Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to play a modded version of the game Homescapes. So let me just open it up right here, and as you can see I'm broke, but in the mod menu you can actually enable unlimited coins. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it for iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the tutorial. So as you can see I've only got 2,000 coins, so I'm just going to turn it up all the way and let's see if it goes up. So currently there's no change, but maybe it will happen. So let's see. So no change. Yo, it's working. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this Homescapes mod for your device so you can have unlimited coins. It's super cool. So let's get straight into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys how to get it for your device. All right, so first thing we're going to do, go to the browser, go to tweakmod.com, and I just want you guys to type in Homescapes and then press install. So before the mod downloads, there is going to be a verification. So this just means you have to download 2 apps and complete the instructions. It's 100% for free from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here. As you can see, it shouldn't take that long. So I'm just going to give it a second to go ahead and load up. So let's see what happens. All right, it's almost done. So yeah, you can see the little Apple and Android logos right there. So it does work on both, which is pretty cool. So yeah, I'm just going to wait for it to load up. Alright, so basically what we got to do is download 2 of these apps. So they're all free, they're from the store. So like as you can see, it says like Travel Town reach level 9. So just press on it, press continue, brings you to the store, you just download it, reach level 9. Then we got like Merge Garden, says the same thing. There's a video to watch if you're confused, but that is how to get the Homescapes mod for your device so you can have unlimited coins. Super cool, guys. Fully working on iOS and Android. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you want to have a Homescapes hack, because this is fully updated, guys, and super cool. So peace out.